And finally, on a case-by-case.
It is now almost 2 weeks since the International Criminal Court confirmed charges of 4 suspects in the Kenyan cases, committing them to full trial. But apart from those suspected to bear the most responsibility for the post-election violence, there were many more people involved in the violence. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution and the Attorney General have already indicated willingness to establish special courts to deal with cases stemming from the 2008 post-election violence. But do we have adequate mechanism to try the suspects locally?
We need to give this man money and resources. He has only 90 prosecutors. In fact, you'll be surprised. I've met with Mr. Tobiko here in this office, discussing this issue. And I've told him, Mr. Tobiko, this country of yours, which you love, is setting you up for failure. Because how do you give somebody such functions, fundamental functions, and you have given him money to recruit only 90 prosecutors?
The minister at the same time insists that it is unconstitutional for the Attorney General to be advising government on matters concerning the ICC.
Indeed, Article 157 of the Constitution says clearly that the Attorney General has no role in criminal matter. And then it says B, shall represent the national government in court or in any other legal proceedings to which the national government is a party other than criminal proceedings.
Meanwhile, the minister, who is also Secretary General of the Wiper Democratic Party, says if the party were to eject him for taking a position contrary to that of the party, he is not worried.
If Wiper decides to take whatever action they would want to take, right now the number of political parties that have offered to accommodate me, should I be removed, I've gone up to 28. They were 21.
This even as the minister said it was wrong that the vetting of judges and magistrates had been put on hold, adding that it is critical that the process continues to allow reforms in the judiciary to stay on course and grant the much-needed credibility to the institution. Sophia, Wanuna, KTN Prime.